Singapore firms are looking to harvest growing opportunities in India's waste management sector. And this includes recycling trash like electronic goods that have ended up in the garbage heap to recover precious resources. And that's especially as the South Asian country puts in motion efforts to go green. Alif Shah has more.
One man's trash is another man's treasure. Quite literally for Singapore firm Blue Planet, which wants to seize opportunities in what it describes as one of the most underserved markets in India.
Chennai is one of India's most populous cities and it produces more than 5,000 tons of waste each day. Now, it's estimated that only about 20% of the city's waste is actually treated and disposed of properly. The rest ends up in landfills like this one, which creates environmental and health hazards.
This is just one of the city's two major dump sites and spans about 170 football fields. The company carries out a process known as dump site mining in a section of the landfill.
We see a huge potential opportunity to ensure that we are able to solve the problem for the longer term by ensuring maximization of processing of the waste and clearing of the existing landfills here.
The mounds of waste are first converted into cones like these. They are sprayed with a culture to speed up decomposition and reduce the stench that attracts flies. The waste is then sorted. From it, iron scraps, for example, are sent to metal recycling facilities.
All the resources that can be upcycled should be leveraged for upcycling, and whatever cannot be upcycled should be used for sustainable disposal without toxic content, without any complaints regarding the purity of that matter, which is ready for being disposed of.
Over in Bangalore, this other Singapore firm is breathing new life into e-waste, an industry that could be worth $20 billion by 2030. It says India's digital boom is driving this.
India is a big 1.5 billion population and more than 65% is less than 35 years old. They need more and more electronics for their living. That's why the electronic product manufacturing is increasing, and so why the e-waste generation.
Computer parts, mobile phones and laptops are dismantled to help in the recovery of precious metals, including lithium, cobalt and gold.
Wherever possible, we try to reuse the components so that, we can extend the life of the electronic products instead of just going for the recycling. So then in the journey of recycling, we also consolidate metals, plastic.
Since 2014, the company has processed 25,000 tons of e-waste. Moving forward, the firm is looking to set up an integrated facility where it can recover and refine e-waste on its own. Alif Shah, CNA, Bangalore.